Welcome back. Today we're doing a deep dive into the sources you sent on the new Robinhood Gold Credit Card. Our mission, as always, is to cut through the marketing buzz and figure out what the real value proposition is here.
Exactly. And I think the core question for you is pretty clear. Does that big headline number, the 3% unlimited cash back, actually make sense when you factor in the required gold membership? Especially, given some of the noise we hear about customer service on the main Robinhood platform.
Right. The initial pitch sounds great, doesn't it? It kind of blends spending and investing. Your cash back, that 3%, can automatically get reinvested. Stocks, crypto, ETFs. Pretty slick for a certain type of user.
Yeah, and what's interesting is how they structure it to deliver that rate. You get this, nice metal card, no foreign transaction fees,
Yeah.
and it's 3% back on everything. No categories to track. It's built for maximum simplicity.
But here's where it gets interesting. You mentioned the gold membership. Why call it gold if the sources show it ditches all the typical premium perks? Like, where's the airport lounge access, extended warranties, travel insurance? None of that seems to be there.
Right, because it's not really aimed at that luxury market. It's simple, yes, but maybe more fundamentally, it seems like a tool to keep people subscribed to Robinhood Gold. You have to have that subscription. And that costs, what, around $50 a year?
About $50, yeah. So you've got to spend, let's see, roughly $1,600, maybe a bit more, just with the card each year, just to earn back that fee and rewards before you actually profit.
Which, for someone putting everything on the card, $1,600 is easy.
Yeah.
But if you only use it sometimes, that $50 starts to feel like a hurdle. You're actively working to pay off the fee.
So connecting the dots, it really looks like a membership retention play, doesn't it?
Absolutely. They're essentially buying your loyalty, making that nice 3% cash back, dependent on staying in their gold ecosystem, reduces churn.
Okay, now the card itself, it's legit, right? It's backed by WebBank. Sources show it has a high compliance score, like 100 on Scamagizer. So it's not a scam.
No, not at all. The product itself is sound, but, and this is a big but, when you look at the actual user satisfaction, the picture changes.
Ah, the trust page data.
Exactly. The overall Robinhood profile there, it's got a really low rating, something like 1.3 out of 5 stars, based on thousands of reviews. And the main complaints seem to circle around account management issues and, crucially, customer support.
Yeah, I saw specific cited, like frustrating email-only support, no phone number to call when things go wrong.
Apparently not. And reports of long delays, technical glitches, things like confusing auto pay settings leading to unexpected late fees, that sort of stuff.
So you're kind of trading away those traditional premium card perks and potentially reliable support, all for the simplicity and that high flat cash back rate.
But on the flip side, for people who are already in Robinhood Gold, maybe using the other features like research or higher instant deposits, and they just want everything in one app, passively reinvesting that 3%. For them, the sources suggest it often feels seamless and worthwhile. They like the integration.
Okay, so summing it up for you listening, what does this all mean? Well, if you're already paying for Robinhood Gold, you use its features and you really value that easy cashback to investment pipeline over, say, top-tier bank service, then yeah, this could actually be a really solid choice for you.
Well, if you prioritize getting help quickly when you need it, or you want those traditional travel perks and insurance, or you just don't like the idea of a $50 fee eating into your rewards, then maybe a more traditional credit card is still the better way to go. It really hinges on what you value more. That high flat cash back integrated with investing, or polished customer service and perks.
The big takeaway here seems to be that even the absolute highest cashback rate can get complicated. You have to look at the strings attached, like mandatory fees, and the quality of the support behind it.
Right. And maybe a final thought to leave you with. When you're looking at any financial product with a membership fee, how much is that convenience like passive investing really worth to you compared to knowing you can actually reach someone helpful if there's a problem? Something to think about for your own financial strategy.